Hey, what's up, guys? MK City here and welcome back again. फेस तो बराबर आ रहा है ना? देखो भैया अपना एक ही फंड है ट्यूटोरियल आए या न आए फेस बराबर आना चाहिए. Today I am going to show you something very special because recently I got a chance to work for an birthday video for Vikram sir. Let me tell you one thing: if you are not from India or if you live in India and you don't know about Vikram sir, John Victor, known as Vikram, प्यार से लोग नैचियान विक्रम भी बोलते हैं. So he is an Indian actor and playback singer who predominantly appears in Tamil cinema and also appears in Telugu and Malayalam cinema, and he is awesome. So let's roll this birthday video first, and then we will talk about the breakdown. वेट, जिन लोगों ने इस वीडियो को अभी तक लाइक नहीं करा उनको प्रीमियर से हटाया जाएगा. यू हैव ओनली 5 सेकेंड. काउंटडाउन स्टार्ट. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, फायर. आप बच गए लगता है. आपने इस वीडियो को लगता है लाइक कर दिया. सो थैंक यू. So I made 2 different scenes, one for corridor and one for the another scene where I show you poster breaking and collecting and building the poster, something like that one. So first I will talk about the corridor scene. So for corridor I use motion design 2 models and Pro Shaders 2 for texturing. So first, just there are a lots of models which you can utilize to create any scene. And I know the Pro Shaders and the motion design 2 models are very old, but we are waiting for the Elma 3D version 3 and all the other spec version 3 as well as, but who knows when it will come. But until then we can utilize that models and create anything. So this is another example where I used Pro Shaders 2 and motion design 2 models. Once you completed building one side wall or a roof or wall or floor, then you can just use a very good feature called symmetry to just mirror both things, and it will work very good. Once you done modeling, once you done putting all these things together, then you can select all the material and you can change the UV type from UV to box, and it will just give you a good look. And you can also select all the models one by one, and you can change the reflection mode from environment or default to spherical or mirror surface according to the scene and their position or their conditions. Once you completed modeling or building one set, then you can use particle replicator to just make them multiple copies and utilize them according to your need. So in this case I use 3D grid, and I just change the shape scale and I change the copies in a different axis. Just like in this one I used G axis. For logos and text you can know how to do it, right? So first extrude them, just create a custom mask and load it inside the custom text and mask, and then you can just simply extrude them. I use the original logo as a texture for the 7-screen studio, and it's come very good. I have one more big announcement. Just अभी कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो मैं आप सबको सजेस्ट करूँगा कि भाई देखो यार, मास्क बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आप खुद भी मास्क लगाओ, और आपके साथ जो लोग हैं, जैसे ये हमारे मुन्ना हैं, तो इनको भी मास्क जरूर पहना है, और सबको पहना है. उस कैमरा मैन को भी पहना है जो हमारा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. बात सिर्फ इतनी है. देखो यार, सेफ रहो, दूसरे को भी सेफ रखो, ठीक है? दैट्स इट. थैंक यू. सो दूसरे सीन में हमने क्या किया था कि हमने Sketchfab से, सो आई डाउनलोडेड अ मॉडल फ्रॉम Sketchfab which was completely free. I will put the link in my video description. So I used that model to create the floor, the wall, and for the environment I use a sky texture. So once you build the second scene, then for the poster, what I did, I used Cinema 4D to just fracture that photo frame. So first I create a new cube or box, then I simply make them editable and I select a face and assign a single material. Then I select the rest of the faces and I assigned a just different material. So now I have a control for two materials. Then I use Voronoi fracture to fracture them into multiple pieces. Then I exported as OBJ and then I bring that model inside Element 3D and then I use just Bikram sir photo as a custom texture and I assign them here. Then I duplicated that box into टू पीसेस. तो हम लोग उस मॉडल को डुप्लीकेट कर लेंगे, जो हमने पोस्टर अभी क्रिएट करा 3D में उसको हम डुप्लीकेट कर देंगे और उसको दो अलग अलग ग्रुप में पुट कर देंगे, क्योंकि जब हम एनिमेशन इंजन का यूज करके वन ग्रुप टू टू ग्रुप में हम लोग एनिमेशन को ड्राइव करेंगे. सो दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग विच आई यूज टू क्रिएट देम एंड आई यूज several different camera and just basic camera movement, and this is it. For finalizing everything you can use motion blur, depth of field, and very important you can use color correction, color grade and all. And once you are ready to render, make sure you enable all the samples. Don't forget, otherwise it will give you a glitter, jitter, glitch types of look, so you have to avoid them, right? So don't forget to increase the samples. So thanks for watching. It was fun to share my experience with you. Please consider subscribe this channel if you are watching it from a long, and if you are a new user, I will highly recommend go and check out my some amazing tutorials, some amazing video, and then subscribe me. If you are not following me on Instagram, I will highly recommend go there and check it, because I post a lots of video which I don't post on YouTube. So you can go there and check it. And if you want to support this channel, you can also visit my Patreon page. You can hit the join button and be a part of this community and take some just amazing advantage, just like behind the scenes, early access, some great project files and all. So I would like to thank my friend Krishna who supported me to shoot this video. So please come. फ्रेम में थोड़ा सा इनको नीचे आ जा. हाँ, ये कृष्णा क्रिएटिव हंटर, इनको आप जाके इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. मैं उसका लिंक नीचे दे दूंगा. कुछ बोलना चाहते हो भाई? देखो यार, हम लोग इतने गरीब थे, मतलब हम लोग इतने गरीब आदमी थे कि जो हम लोग जब ट्रेन में ट्रेवल करते थे तो जो रेल नीर की बोतल आती थी ना, हम लोग उसमें कोल्ड ड्रिंक भर के पीते थे, समझे? तो लाइक ठोक के जाना.